Okay, friends, I'm back to explain a little bit more about what I want you to do on these two pages. So for today's science, you're going to do this first page right here, which is plant and animal needs. And I want you to circle the things that you think both plants and animals need to live. So do both plants and animals need water? If you think they do, I want you to circle it. Do both plants and animals need nutrients? If you think they do, circle it. Do both plants and animals need a shelter or a place to live? If you think so, circle it. Do both plants and animals need sunlight? If you think so, circle it. Do both plants and animals need soil? If you think so, circle it. And do they need food? If you think so, circle it. So you are circling the things that you think both plants and animals need to live. Okay, and this is page number 19. When you turn the page, you're going to look and see what you think is in the animal's cheeks, and then over here you're going to draw something that you need to live. And I'm going to send you a video of the hungry chipmunk so you can see that. On the next page, 22, it talks about the experiment that I did with you out front this morning. We had the two plants, we had water. We didn't have the Unifix cubes. So I remember use these measuring sticks right here. So on this page is our recording sheet. This word says sunlight. So up here with my orange crayon, and I'm not using yellow because I didn't want to... I wanted you to be able to see it. So here's my sun, my orange sun. Okay. On this side where it says no sunlight, I'm going to draw a sun. And then I'm going to just put a little circle with a line through it because that will be no sun. This is the plant that we put into the cabinet. This is the one we put in the dark cabinet. This sunlight plant is the one that we're leaving outside. So we had two plants, one that stays in the sun and one is going in the cabinet. So when we measured our two plants, I used these sticks to see how tall they would go. I put these at the bottom of the plants and we went up and we made lines, remember? So I don't have the Unifix cubes from our classroom, so I just got the measuring sticks and I just marked off 1 inch spaces. So you can see plant number 1. This one is the one that we put into the cabinet, plant number 1. Plant number 2 is the one that we put out into the sun. Okay, so in your picture space, you're going to draw plant number 2. So here's the container, and I don't have green crayons or purple crayons with me right now, but you can do this with your green and purple. Here's my soil down in here. And then for my measuring stick, I'm going to draw my measuring stick up here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my plant, you can see, went 7 inches tall plus a little bit more, almost, maybe even almost up to 8. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then my plant goes all the way up here to about it's just almost 1 inch taller, almost to 8. So this one was plant number 2. That's the one that's out on my sunny patio right now. Okay, then over here on the no sunlight page, that is plant number 1, and that is the one that I put in my cabinet. So here's my cabinet with the 2 shelves, and then I have my games in here.